everybody, it's Jen Keenan here at the Four Squares Residential Group at Keller Williams Real Estate, coming to you with my Love the Way You Live video series. So it's spring and we are doing some home renovations here at my house in Medford, and it's a mess. This is the reality of home renovation. You have to disrupt your life a little bit. You're disrupting your rooms, and, sometimes things get piled into one room. But the positive thing about all of this, a few things actually. One is obviously we're getting some nice new work done at our house, so we're super excited about that. But the other thing that has been really great during this whole process is that we've had a chance to go through everything in the rooms that we had to dismantle and really go through and purge, clean, and donate a lot of things. And through that process, we have found a lot of great organizations in our town that can benefit from some of the things that we wanted to donate. So I would encourage you this month, whether you're doing home renovations or not, and you're looking to purge some items, really take the time to find some groups in your town that can benefit from some old clothes, old furniture, mattresses, anything like that, because there's way more people out there in need, I think, than we all realize. And certainly I've met some great people this month that have picked up some of the things that we have donated, and it feels really good to know that, we're helping somebody else out there. So, purge away, my friends, and until next month, I hope you love the way you live.